Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Akasha Superfoods CMOS Glow Gummies, which are marketed as nutrient-rich gummies that support immunity, skin health, and digestion. We tested these gummies daily to see if they actually provide benefits or if they're just a hype. CMOS is naturally rich in iodine, magnesium, and over 90 trace minerals that support thyroid health, energy, and digestion. Akasha packages it into a sweet gummy, making it easier to take compared to gels or capsules. After consistent use, we noticed slight improvements in digestion, better hydration, and clearer skin after a few weeks. The gummies were tasty and convenient, which made daily use effortless. The pros are nutrient density, easy daily use, and subtle but noticeable wellness improvements. The cons are that the results are gradual. The gummies contain added sugars, and they're more expensive compared to traditional CMOS gels or capsules. Overall, Akasha Superfood CMOS Glow Gummies are not a scam. They deliver trace minerals and subtle wellness benefits, but the price reflects convenience more than potency. They're great if you want easy supplementation, but not necessary if you already maintain a mineral-rich diet. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.